I'm going to talk to you right now about the 10th program for the upcoming November full moon Seva ceremony. Now, the 10th program is the other realms. What's that? That's where the heavens are. That's where the divine lives and operates out of. And according to Sri Bhagavan, the other realms are enormously bigger or greater in scope than the regular universe. He says it dwarfs it. And that science, modern science, is unable to see or detect it because it's other dimensional. So the 10th program for November, before we hit December, that full moon Seva is has enormous significance because we are talking or appealing to the divine on their own ground. There are 10 programs. The 10th program is the apex. It's the apex. Now, what I want to recommend to you guys is that, we're coming up in days now for the United States election, and that can have consequences for the entire world, most likely will. And then Kali Yuga is winding down. 2024 is coming close to an end. There are calamities all over the world, and we need grace. Everybody does. So join me on the November full moon Seva. Have your prayers ready and try not to miss the live event, because if you're there at the live event, that is the real big voice. Okay, because we're all there at the same time. And we will be appealing to the divine to both help the world as well as as we always do, ourselves. But at this point in the history of humanity, this type of work is of enormous importance and significance. Please don't miss it. Go to links.depthhealing.org and get the link and everything. Mark it down on your calendar. It's free. And please spread the word everywhere. Spread it everywhere. I want thousands of people in these full moon Sevas. We're in hundreds now, but we need thousands. Okay? I'm counting on you. See you soon. Bye-bye.